Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dance Viewers and subscribers, one man can't crave so. That is not good for nobody inside to eat so much food. You see me? So when you see all them bulla eating contest and an eating challenge, me I tell you viewers and subscribers, don't even try it. Don't even attempt to do something like that. You see me? Because if somebody understand the amount of damage where that I do inside of them, you know, we not even mention the amount of cholesterol and all them things. You see, just by knowing that it have a rupture your inside, you know, mash up your esophagus and all these things, and then not to mention when it is time to leave your body. That is another thing. The constipation or whatsoever it might cause, the side effects. Eh? No, sir. And viewers and subscribers, the next thing again, what is that he's eating? I cannot identify that food. I said that it is grounded beef, you know what I mean, or it's a bully beef or something, is it? Yeah, but, you know, I'm not dirt. There's no way somebody ever eat dirt. All them questions them have to really and truly ask your viewers and subscribers, because you need to look at what I want. Now, as me don't tell you already, don't try this at home. Now, tell me if you think that him can really finish that amount of thing that is in front of him that he said that he's eating, right? I mean, before you answer that question, when you look at his, when you look at him belly, when you look at him face, and you look at the big pan or something where they're in front of him, and tell me if you think that him really and truly can finish eat off all of that. Alright, viewers and subscribers, anyways, just remember all those questions I ask, keep it in mind, and give me an answer where you think about something like this. And do remember, don't try nothing like this. It is not good for your inside, and do not eat no more than what you are made to eat. Yes, I said don't overdo it. It is not good for you. Alright, viewers and subscribers, so let me know what you think. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.